Short answer, no. But of course I'll dive deeper into it. And with that, over to the laptop. Okay, so I have Tesla pulled up in Yahoo Finance. And just to be honest, like with this stock, I don't even have to do a deeper analysis as far as looking into the company's financial statements, which I've already done, but everything stops here, right? Once I come to this page and I see a price and earnings ratio of close to 1,400, it only has earnings per share of 52 cents versus this price tag of 730. Like, it's done. Stick a fork in it. Move on to the next company. It's okay to say no, that you won't pay that high of a price for this low of a number and this high of a price to earnings ratio. But for this, as far as this price to earnings ratio being too high, let me explain. Okay, so in my other videos, and I'll link them down in the description below, I talked about what shares are and the importance of the PE ratio. So if you don't quite understand those concepts, then definitely go back and watch those. But after you watch this video, of course. Basically, you can look at each share as its own standalone mini business, so to speak. So right now we're going to look at mini Tesla. Okay, so this is mini Tesla. Now you saw it on a commercial on TV. It said, hey, down here at the stock market, we have mini Teslas for sale. So you hop in your car, you drive on down to the store called the stock market, you walk inside and you look for the section that says mini Teslas for sale. Now you walk on over to the section that says mini Tesla, you pick one up and you flip it over, and just like you can see the nutrition facts on the back of a bottle of juice that says, hey, if I drink this juice, I'll get this much potassium. You can flip over mini Tesla and say, hey, if I choose to buy this, this is exactly what I will get from mini Tesla. And it says that earnings for this share in the past 12 months was 52 cents. Meaning that if you owned mini Tesla, then it would have earned you 52 cents in the last year. But wait, see, you wouldn't have been actually able to pull any of this 52 cents out and put it in your pocket because Tesla doesn't pay a dividend. Getting an idea yet? So after all this, you find a price tag, you flip it over to see how much mini Tesla will cost. You're expecting somewhere from $2 to $7. Guess again, 700. Come on, man. I can't make this up. Now, any rational person would look at that and say, oh no, that's much too expensive. And then they'll put it back down on the shelf where they got it from, walk away, or try to look for any of the other products in this store called the stock market. And just like that, it's that easy to say no on the stock market. You don't have to buy a company because everyone is talking about it or the price is going up 700%. In fact, that's probably the worst time to buy when the fundamentals of the company or the earnings haven't exploded, but the price has. This is what mini Tesla has done in the last 2 years. So in 2019, it lost 98 cents. So if you owned mini Tesla, then it lost 98 cents for you in 2019. And it was priced at less than $100, which is still expensive considering the fact that it was losing 98 cents. But it was priced at around 80 something dollars, you know, when you adjust for splits. Now in the past 12 months, the trailing 12 months, it earned 52 cents for you. So, you know, it's not negative anymore, but the price is now greater than 700. So, I mean, at least it's not losing cash. It's gone up, it gives you a little change, 52 cents, but the price has gone up over 7 times. So, it's gone up over 700%. Now, if your approach is that you want to buy it at 700 today so you can sell it at 1400 sometime in the future, then by all means, I mean, it's not impossible. You know, you can do it, it can happen, but you're playing a risky game. If that's the way that you want to make a living in the stock market, then you might as well take that same cash, go down to the horse track, and put it all on the horse that you expect to win. But that doesn't mean mini Tesla will never be a good buy. I said when you picked it up and you saw the price, you said, oh no, you put it back down, and you said, hey, mini Tesla, I probably won't buy you today, but maybe sometime in the future, if your earnings go up or I'm actually able to take some of those earnings and put it in my pocket so I can spend it how I please, then maybe I will buy you sometime in the future. Or if the price goes down, my goodness. Like, how do you not feel finessed paying over $700 for something that gives you 52 cents? Come on, man.